Hey everybody, it is Kevin here, and I am going to show you the Have A Toon-Tastic Day release. Please ignore the glare and the fact that I don't have packaging. I did get one of the sample sets, but I just wanted to show you all the characters that we have here in the set today. And aren't they absolutely cute and adorable? And we've got sentiments like glam it up, hello gorgeous, stay fabulous, please, you little stinker, you're going places, have a toon-tastic day, and thanks for all the laughs. So this is the stamp set, and of course it comes, or you can get, I should say, sorry, it doesn't come with them unless you're in Stamp Club. The outline dies, so I do have a package of outline dies. Of course, it is not in the proper packaging, but it has outline dies for all the characters, all the little things, like the little, kind of like the action stars, the little glasses for his, when he has evil eyes, little hearts, our little bomb, and all the sentiments. So that is super cute. So we've got that, and then we have our builder die, and I'm going to show you an example of that, but this is the alley builder die, so that is super cool. And then of course we have here our Noir Spotlight and Shadow Stencil, and I'm going to show you an example of that as well. And then I'm going to be showing you how I color up Jessica Rabbit in this video. So let's go ahead and show you some of the stamps that I have stamped out that I have yet to color, just so you can see what the images look like. So of course we have our little car here, little car is so cute. We have our, I believe his name is Judge June. So what I did was stamped out in black, but then just stamped out his glasses, his like creepy hypno eyes in red. And I also did Have A Toon-Tastic Day, stamp that out in red, so I'm going to move those aside. Here is what our little Roger Rabbit looks like stamped out. He is so adorable. And I guess I'm just going to give you some sneak peeks of my finished card. So this one is a tiny little card. I just made it a small one. And it is You Little Stinker with this little baby who is actually an adult. And this little bomb here. And I just put it on some copper paper that I just kind of scratched up, and then I used the Noir Spotlight and Shadow Stencil here, just in a little bit of a different way. Did some splatter, used some old pieces of cardstock that was all inked up and stuff, and I just thought it turned out super cute. Now here I'm going to show you what it looks like with the stencil together. And I totally forget the detective's name at the moment, and Jessica Rabbit and the stencil, but here it is. So here is our finished Jessica Rabbit, which I'm going to show you in this video. Here is our colored detective that I did. Here is the die builder all put out. So we have our little stone archway right here. We have our sidewalk, and we have our antique lamp post. And then we have a crate, it's kind of in behind her. I put her over it, and then we have our barrel. Now I have this spotlight coming down from the back alley here, right behind them. And then I just did this very subtle in the background with this part of the stencil. That's kind of like little shadows, like if you had it. So you could put it in where it was a little bit darker. I just chose to use it lighter. So that is our stamp set for this month, which again is the Have A Toon-Tastic Day. Here are a bunch of the characters here, kind of piling them all up for you so you can see everybody. So there you go. It is the Have A Toon-Tastic Day, and of course there are outlines available. There is our alleyway builder die and our Noir Spotlight and Shadow Stencil that are available this month. And now we'll get on to coloring Jessica, and you can see how I colored her in a quick little speed video right in this next part of our video. Wow, that was very confusing, but hopefully you know what I mean. I'm always a little hectic, but here's our Have A Toon-Tastic Day stamp set, and you can watch me color Jessica in a little bit of sped up time, so it won't take too long to get through this whole entire video. And again, we'll see you in the next clip. Alright, let's color Jessica Rabbit. I'm giving her skin tones in a new, well, a little bit of a different way. We're using E13, E11, E00, E000, and her lips I am doing with R3929 and 24. And then her eyeshadow is BV01, BV000. Her hair color is E18, R39, R17, R08, YR07, and YR04. Her eyeshadow, oh wait, I already told you that one. Sorry. And then her gloves are V17, V15, and V12. And her earrings were V12 and BV000. But then I went in and I changed them and I added a little bit of gold pen to them. And then her dress is R39, R29, R27, and R24. And then I added some white highlight. And there's my finished card. Thanks a lot, everybody. See you next time.